Yeah, well, my name is Damodar. Today I'm going to present you AlmaBetter's Capstone project for Module 1. It consists of 20 questions and I have to explain any 5 questions. So I have picked like uh, one from the bug fix and two from improvising the code section and two from logic building section. Yeah, let's go to the questions. Like first one is like vowels count. You have to count how many vowels are there in the given sentence, like given string. So I'm taking they are taking like string as a input and I would take like they are taking vowels array and checking converting the string into the lowercase and initialize a count variable and traversing the for loop and checking if the like traversing the string and checking if the ith index of the string contains any of these vowels array like what character of this vowels array, it will increases the count. Like yeah. So for example, here if you look here means A occurs 2 times, E occur 2 times. So the value will be 4. Yeah. Now the like we have to fix the code. Now what's the error here means here it is passing the index of the string. How we have to fix it is like just you can do like this also. Like this is correctly passing the index of the string, or we can like use this like also. This is also correct. We can do anything. It's your wish. Like both are traveling the correct index of the string. Now let's go to the second question. Second question is like improvising the code. Now find the longest word in the given sentence. Yeah. Now they're taking sentence as an input. Now checking. Now they're splitting the sentence using the split method and storing it in like the split method is usually give sequence of words as a array storing in words. This is a words array. Now initializing a max length variable. They are traversing the words length array and taking the length of the first word with the ith index of the word array. So if like so if checking if the length of the if this length of the first word in this words array will be greater than the max length, it will automatically update the max length in this to this length of the uh, ith index of the word, and it will return the max length. So basically, uh, they are asking us to improvise this code by use for loop, for of loop. For of loop in JavaScript is usually used for uh, traversing the array. So I'm traversing the array with the for of loop and the same like these are the same conditions I'm used here also. So same concepts. I'm just using the for of loop here. Now let's go to that question. Count the occurrence. Uh, in a given string, they give a string and a character also. And taking the string and character as an input here and initializing a count variable and checking if they are traversing it using for of loop and checking if the character of this sentence like C is strictly equal to the this character, then increases the count and return the count. How we can initialize? They used to say that use any loop and with the inbuilt string methods. So I am using traversing the string with the traditional for loop and I'm checking if the ith index of the string, like taking the character of the string and checking it includes this character, then increases the count and return the count. Now logic building section. Swap consecutive characters. In given JavaScript function, swap consecutive characters. Like if AL, this is the example. They take two words characters and swap it. Again, they took two words and swap it. Two characters. Again, they take two characters and swap it. And this is how we have to swap this one. So this is the swapping the consecutive ones. So taking this sentence as a like string as a input, and I'm initializing a result variable. I'm traversing this string, and I'm every time once I finish the traversing, I'm increasing it like in plus two times. So after on the first iteration we can get this two, and on the second iteration we get this two, and third iteration we get this two. Like this is how it will works. So taking the first variable on a variable, like taking the first character on the a variable and taking the second character on b variable, and I am swapping it and storing it in result. Like I'm every time like I'm repeating this process, we can do attain this output. Like then returning the result. This is how this one is work. Now this is the last question, like array intersection. Taking input returns a new array. Yeah, this one takes a new this one takes two array one and array two. We have to check which are the common ones in this one and return that one. Like two and three are the common ones. Like array intersection. This is basically intersection is like checking which are intersecting on each one. So two, three is common one. So they repeat giving the output of two, three. Now we write the function taking array one and array two as a input and storing it in set. Taking the array one and storing it in set. This is how we have to create a set. This basically the set in JavaScript does not store repetitive ones. It will only store unique ones. So it will remove this extra two. If anything repeat means it will remove. Now we are making set two. Uh, Making set two, and we are checking a condition like array condition. We are filtering the how we are storing the values in the set 2 means we are filtering the array 2 based on the condition. What condition? Like every item in this array 2 has to be in array 1. Like if 2 and 3 we are checking means it has to be in array 1, 2 and 3. Like in set 1. If storing in set 2. Otherwise it will not store. So basically 2 and 3 values will be stored in this set 2. So we got that 2 and 3 unique values. We are changing the set into the array by using array.from method. This dot from method is usually change any data structure to array back and storing it in result variable and returning the result. This is how we can attain the array intersection. Yeah, I have explained the 5 questions. Thank you for listening. Have a good day. Thank you.